EcoBurner is a reusable, refillable gas burner. It's a drop-in replacement to your gel or wick fuel pots. To use the burner, rotate the dial in the on position. After being turned on the max position, you will hear the gas flow. Grab your lighter and you will notice I can light overhead the burner and nothing happens, which makes this a very safe system. To light the burner head, you have to go right to the burner, and you notice it'll light the first time every time. As I mentioned before, this is a natural gas burner. That means you'll achieve a clean burn with no noxious fumes. There's no cleaning of soot off the dishes after every service. The quality of your food will be unaffected, and more importantly, no more dangerous chemicals in the food. So that means a cleaner, safer environment for your staff and for your guests. Now, after the burner head has been burning for about 60 seconds, you'll notice that the burner head glows bright orange. That means it's up to temperature and now you're ready for service. And it's completely windproof. The EcoBurner is a radiant heater. I can feel the heat spread all the way around, which makes it less affected by the wind. Each burner will run for 5 hours on its max setting. And if you dial it back to the equivalent of a gel or a wick fuel pot, you will run closer to 7.5 hours. Now, EcoBurner is fully adjustable from a high to a low setting. The sound of the gas will change slightly and the burner will dim. A key feature is our over temperature valve, OTV for short. If the heat around the burner gets too great, the burner will automatically shut off, restricting the flow of gas to the burner head. For example, if you're using the EcoBurner with a traditional chafing dish with the water pan and you forget to put in the water or the water burns off, the EcoBurner will detect the higher temperatures and shut off automatically. EcoBurner will dramatically reduce any damages to your equipment due to prolonged heat exposure. Another feature is our overturn safety feature. So if someone accidentally runs into the table and knocks this over, this system will automatically shut off the flow of gas to the burner head. What is equally important is that you'll never get a spill. Some of the worst accidents occur when oils from gel or wicks get into the food, get into your clothes, or get onto the carpet. This will never happen with EcoBurner. To reset it, I turn it off and I turn it back on. As I turn on the burner, you'll notice that the burner head lights up much quicker because it's already hot. Now at the end of service, simply turn the burner to the off position. Now all the remaining gas is ready to be used for the next service. There's no waste, nothing gets wasted. That's why EcoBurner has become the most preferred economical choice in over 60 countries. To fill the burner, apply the fuel to the base of the burner and rotate until it drops in. Then press down. It takes about 35 to 40 seconds to fill each burner. As I said before, each burner is going to burn for 5 hours. Now each can is fully recyclable and will fill 5 burners, giving you of about 36 hours of burn time. This is a much cleaner, greener, and safer system.